I suppose that's how you treat your friends, huh? You stick them in your mouth and you chew on them. Well, I, for one, don't think that's very nice. I think it's maybe just a little bit presumptuous and kind of rude and hey, not the head, not the head. Oh, tui. Hey, I don't particularly like it in the... Oh, goodness, you don't seem to care what I think. Tui. Oh, goodness. I was trying to tell you a story about what I was doing on the farm, and suddenly, next thing I know, you're grabbing me, and